Today we're going to talk about voice commands in a 2018 BMW X3. Voice commands have never been made easier. For example, I'm going to quickly tap the button on the steering wheel, provide a command, find a Starbucks.
Starbucks 1710 Southwest Jefferson Street, Portland. Say yes.
Yes.
Starbucks 1710 Southwest Jefferson Street, Portland was selected. Guidance has been started.
You can use voice and speak to the car in a natural language, so if you need to find anything such as a bank, a gas station, hotel, restaurant, a shopping center, just speak it to the vehicle. You could be generic and say find a Thai restaurant, and it'll pull up all the examples closest to you and then slowly spiral away. And if you're traveling somewhere, you can see what the forecast for the weather is going to be like, such as, what's the weather like in Bend, Oregon?
Current weather at desired location.
It's going to show you the 4-day forecast, and if I wanted to see what the weather is going to be like on Saturday, I'll select it. It'll show the morning, midday, evening, and nighttime as well. So with voice command, it makes it substantially easier and a lot safer, so you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, use the voice command button, and away you go.